everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hey guys, this is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. So we are here along Coffee Pot Bayou and Snow Island. We're about to enter into Old Northeast. So come along with me on this beautiful day in St. Petersburg, Florida. So as you guys can see over there, if you could look back over there, that's the bridge for Snow Island. And we're gonna come for a walk over here in Old Northeast. It's a beautiful day, blue skies, sunshine, so enjoy. So much better. So as you can see right there, it's over at Snow Island, really beautiful. So we are about to approach Old Northeast. Look at that view over there, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay guys, so if you see behind me, that is the Vinoy. It's a part of the Vinoy Renaissance Hotel. So that's what you see behind you. So we're gonna go down that way. So let's keep going. So have you guys ever been to St. Petersburg? Let me know in the comment section.
I said so you don't take me down,
They have this at the entrance of this area right here. Really beautiful. Do you guys see it out there? That looks like a cruise ship. Okay guys, this is where I landed. You saw in the live stream that I did that long walk for almost an hour, and I ended up here at Spa Beach, and I think this is where I'm going to end, but it's beautiful this Thursday evening, and I want to give you some vibes before I went home. And I wanted to let you all know, make sure you take time out for your mental health, your peace of mind, and just having solo time. Take care of you. If you need a rest, relaxation, a vacation, do that, even if it's just for a few hours. Mental breaks are important. The best is yet to come. We have to forget about the past and what didn't happen in the shoulda, woulda, couldas and focus on today, doing the positive things so that our future can be bright. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. Channel members shout out Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Sirius S. A Virgo from Georgia, Miss Nexie, Always That Girl, Lara Yellow Sword, Tracy Positive Corner, Tasha T, Von D Gaming, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0, and Oliver's Vlog TV Mix. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. I thank you so much for tuning into this vlog. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below and be sure to turn on your notifications for more content.